Joey. You on wheels, buddy? You on your wheels? And you can smell stuff? Nice, huh? Joey. Joseph. Joseph. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy. Look, I got cheese. I got cheese. Good boy. Good boy. Let's see if I can get from the side. You keep going so I can see how he does.
Come on, let's go this way, boy.
Joseph. Joey. See, he gets to smell things. These things he's not smelled out here. That's the good thing, huh? Come on, Joe. Come on, sweetie. Come on, Joe. Joseph! Come on. Come on, buddy. It's okay. Let me move this thing. Oh, there you go, babe. There you go. Good boy. There's a groundhog that lives in there. Can you smell it? Can you smell it? Okay. Can you get him back in the sun? I've got him in the dark. Joseph. Come on, Joe. Good boy. Good boy. Kasha. Come on, Joe. Joey, look what I have on. Joey, here, Joe. Joey, let me get your piece. There you go. There you go. Good boy. Okay. Okay, got some chiz? Got some chiz? Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, good boy. Some more? Good boy. Good boy. Watch that. He doesn't trip over that.
Trip a couple times.
No, he doesn't. He doesn't have to fall. It's a good thing you didn't have any kids. Really. Did you take the training wheels off before they were ready? What are you doing, Joe? Okay. Come on, buddy. Come on, little man. Come on. Here he is. He's a walking. He's a walking. Oh, very good. Very, very good. Okay, I think better make him go back. It'd be too hard for him to go all the way back.
Okay, let's turn around, bud.
Come on, hon.
Come on, let's go this way.
Joseph.
Come on. Come on, bud.
Come on, you have to take it slow.
Back in the house.
Let's take it slow, baby. Come on, hon.
There you go.
Come on.
We'll go out in the field one of these days.
When you're ready. Come on, you have to learn.